Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty and all the affordable stuff. So if you are interested in such videos, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so today I am going to review all of the Mars makeup product. Mars is like really the talk of this town these days. Everybody on YouTube is using their products. So I don't have like full face of them, but I am going to review these 4-5 products that I have. So if you want to know my thoughts on Mars as a brand in general, keep on watching. For primer, I'm going to use the Mars Take a Glow primer. This is a dewy primer. It has a little bit of that sheen to it, so it's a highlighting sort of a primer. So my shade is Moonlight 01, and as you can see, this is a dewy sort of a primer. So I'm going to just use this. This is not your pore filling mattifying primer. So what I'm going to do is, on my T-zone, I'm going to use my Blue Heaven primer as well, because here without fan I sweat a lot. So on my T-zone I'm going to apply the Blue Heaven mattifying primer, and on rest of my face I'm going to just apply the Mars one. Today I'm going to be using all my Mars product. This is just testing out Mars. So yeah, so as you can see, my skin is slightly glowing. I'm going to take another pump because I have dry skin and I need a lot of glow. So yeah, I'm taking another pump. I will not recommend these dewy sort of primer if you have oily skin, but if you have dry skin, you are going to love this primer. Mine in the shade 01 Moon Light or something. I will definitely mention everything. So now you can see the glow this provides. Ooh, I really like the glow. Now I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows off camera because I don't have any of their eyebrow products, so I'll be back. So for foundation, I have their BB cream, but this has good coverage, but I have the shade tan, which is a little bit dark for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix a lighter foundation with it. I have an inside foundation also to test out, and I have a lighter shade in that, so I'm going to use that as well. Plus I'm thinking of adding a little bit of this, because on when I will apply foundation of top of this, the glow will get reduced. So yeah, why not just add more glow? Plus if you have this sort of product, you can always use that in concoction with your foundation. So I have this foundation by inside, but I have a very light shade in it. I have the shade 01. So as you can see, I'm taking one squeeze out of these and just mixing them to custom create my shade. Also I have added a one pump of that glow primer. So I was thinking of just using my foundation brushes, but I have today washed all my foundation brushes, all of my blushes in fact. So today I'm going to just use my pump for most of my makeup. I just dropped my beauty blender. Great. So today I'm going to use most of my, I'm going to do full face with, I guess, beauty blender only. So yeah. So now you can see this is the Mars BB cream. Of course I have to mix my foundation with it because it was dark, but I really like the finish. And as you can see, some of my acne scars and acne have covered, so yay, I like it. It is not, you know, your typical BB cream which does not have any coverage. This has quite a good, I would say, decent coverage. The shade range is not that good with all Mars complexion products. I think they need to improve their shade range, otherwise their products are good. Okay, so now for concealer, since I don't have Mars concealer, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty concealer. Okay, so as you can see, the concealer was really blending seamlessly on over the foundation. I do like how my base is looking, so yep. So for powder, I'm going to just use my Blue Heaven powder. I don't have their powder, and since I have a dry skin, you guys, I tend to avoid purchasing a lot of powder. And to be honest, I'm not a good person to get a great review about powder. Since I have dry skin, I am not able to give you guys like a good review. Like it, it is kind of pointless to ask a dry skin person about powder. The one thing I don't like, if the powder makes my face look more dehydrated. This Blue Heaven one is really good. I really like it. It just sets my makeup. It does not make my look more powdery. And I love the makeup fixer as well by the Blue Heaven. Okay, so for my blush bronzer, I was thinking, can I use this palette? This is the palette I have by Mars. So nah, I don't think so, guys. I was thinking about using this as bronzer, but I think this is really orange, and these shades are too dark as blushes. So I am going to be using my Wet n Wild bronzer and my Wet n Wild blush. It's been a long time since I have used Wet n Wild, that blush. For highlighter, I'm going to use my Project Pan highlighter, Wet n Wild Wet n Wild Precious Petal. I was about to say Rose in the great. So as you can see, blush, bronzer, highlighters, all three are looking so good with this foundation BB cream. I love it. So now the star of the show is this beautiful palette. I have their all shimmery one as well, but today I am going to just use this one. I will use that maybe in some other look. So I have a really bold look in my mind. I'm going to use this blue on my lid and this pink. So yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to first apply this matte blue. Ooh, look at the pigment, you guys. The pigment is insane. I have to be very careful that I just want to apply it till my crease. I've got to be really careful. It's so difficult to do your makeup with less brushes, especially these kind of eye look. I will take my finger, otherwise I would have used that flat shader brush. I'm missing a flat shader brush. I have the backup brushes as well, but I just forgot to bring them here. I'm too lazy to go back to that room. Look at the pigment, you guys. It is do you guys remember that I've used the Swiss Beauty one, the blue shadow? This one is pigmented. This is like really intense. Okay, so I might take my pinky finger to get it around the edges. It's so difficult to do such eye looks without those brushes. So I'm going to take first this crease brush. This is a small crease brush, and I'm going to take this hot pink. Okay, that brush is, I think, wet, still wet. So I'm taking this big fluffy brush. Ooh, these are pigmented. As I'm applying that pink, this blue is kind of losing its intensity, so I might have to, you know, just go back and forth. I'm so bad at doing colorful looks, yet I want to try. I want to at least learn. Fake it. I like it. I like the way the look has turned out. Here I will do some cleaning. Okay, for my inner corner highlight, I am thinking about trying this beautiful blue. Oh, wow, that is so pretty, you guys. I am like so impressed with this palette. Cannot believe that this palette was like 299, just 299, and wow, it's beautiful. um should I leave it here? I want to use this so badly. This has this beautiful glitters and I want to use the blue glitter, so maybe I will use it a little bit. Oh my god, it is looking 10 times more prettier with these glitters. Ah, wow, I love my eye look now. I am in love with this eye look. With that glitter, it is like my eyes are like, oh my god, look at that. So pretty, you guys. I'm so proud of myself. Let me just diffuse this a little bit. Wow. Wow, I'm mesmerized by my eyes. So I will do my this eyes as well and I'll be back. Okay, so lipstick, I'm going to take this Mars butter stick lipstick in the shade Job Interview. Beautiful, it's a beautiful red, red base, you know, those pinky brownie nude, but this was not going with this eyes eye look, as you can see. So I took this concealer and just dotted this all over my lips. So now I was happy with the shade, but I would prefer a peachy nude with this sort of a eye look. So I love how way my makeup turned out. So this is the final look, you guys. I really do enjoy it, and I love the way my look turned out. Really like this primer. This primer is really good for, you know, that dewy base, but this is not going to give you an pore filling effect or as such. So if you want to use this as a strobe cream, this would be a great option. Now I do like this BB cream, but the shade range is pathetic. I think they need to improve their shade range. I love this palette so much. I will highly recommend you to get this one out. This is highly pigmented, you know, and endless possibility. If you have this palette, you are sorted. You will able to create endless looks, not your typical nude looks, but other than that, all the colors are there, so you can create endless colorful look with that palette. I just love the way my eyeshadow is looking, so stunning. And I love this lipstick. These are like transfer proof, smudge proof, really long wear formula. So if you want the longevity of liquid lipstick but you don't want to apply it, go check this range out. This shade is Job Interview. Of course, I've used a concealer. It was not going with the eye look. I would prefer a peachy nude, a really nude shade with this eye look. And yeah, so I am really happy the way my base is turned out, but I think the foundation is a little bit dark for me. Other than that, I'm really happy with all the product that I have used. So yeah, so that's it, pretty much it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and family, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.